What's going on, YouTube's Cousin Kirk, everybody else out there watching? All right, I had a rest day yesterday, which would have been, I don't know what day on my trip, but today is going to be day 8 on the road, heading from Wallace to Clark's Fork. I am solo from here on out, so got to take my time, be safe, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm on the road. Peace. All right, I made it to Clark Fork Bakery in Clark Fork. Day 9, I believe. I can't remember at this point. I believe it was day 9. Yeah, we're at the Clark Fork Bakery. I just had a pretty awesome sandwich. Nice and filling, some chips, a little drink. Got me a little caffeine. It's about 4:30. Actually, it's almost 5 now. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and push for the border as far as I can make it. So maybe section 7 and 8 will be one video. Hey, we'll find out, huh? All right, see y'all in a minute. All right, we're at the Cascade Pond Overlook. I mean, that's kind of a pond. It more looks like some kind of marsh. Pretty cool. Whole like marshland. Well, there's the border right there. We made it all the way to the border. Yeah, look at that beautiful farmland, bike. Yeah, you can see the border crossing right over there. It's a beautiful spot right here. Oh yeah. Well, that's it. Idaho BDR in the bag.